Hello there, folks. I am Kris, also known as the voiceover artist, Kris in the mic. Thank you so much for joining me here in the Pinch Me Please. It's Gluten-Free Kitchen. While this channel, Unified Humanitarian Perceptions with Triumphant Tales, is under construction with our animation department, I will be utilizing it to begin a new sector to share gluten-free recipes while we grow and transition. So, while all the goodies are in the works, please be sure to subscribe, like, and follow us here at Unified Humanitarian Perceptions. The link is below. And also at the YouTube channel, Kris and the Mic, as that will eventually become our official page or channel. And so you'll want to bookmark that, keep it in the back of your mind, subscribe, like there too, because when we get back on board with our animation and our stories, we will just transfer this to that channel. So then you will just need to click on the playlist tabs for PMP as Gluten-Free Kitchen to keep continuing enjoying the videos. Hopefully you are. So thank you so very much for cooking gluten-free with me in the PMP kitchen. Woo. Let's get started. So I decided to put together some easy to follow gluten-free recipes because, well, videos, recipes with videos, because I feel when a person has to change their diet for allergies or any reason at all, specifically gluten, they kind of have a panic attack because you're so overwhelmed, and I don't blame you. It can be a little frustrating, but fret not, because once you get the hang of some simple basics, you will be so surprised how easy it can be to compromise. And no, you do not, I repeat, you do not need to break the bank, go crazy, blow all your savings, go on hiatus, trying to find every label in the world that says gluten-free. You'll find out there are so many ways to incorporate a gluten-free diet in your life without losing your mind. Yes, it's true. So remember to subscribe below and also at Kris and the Mic. Links will be below, as stated before, to follow me here at the PMP Kitchen for a handful of celiac-friendly suggestions, ideas, recipes, whatever I can think of to help you make your journey a little less stressful, or hopefully a lot less stressful. So also make sure to watch that next video so you can get some insightful tips before you get started. All right. Thank you again, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to send anyone to the kitchen that might be looking for a helping hand. And always remember to share. Hello. All right, see you next time. Bye-bye.